Sup, back in the vid, guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is Hamilton Northwestern right now. Unknown how many cars, but he's running one engine lately, so I'm assuming he has the 1416 GLLX H&W locomotive 1416. Here we go. There he is. Five tanker cars and 2 Hamilton cars and 1 Fillmore car. So that's 9 cars. That's a big train. There's one right there, and there it goes. It makes 9 cars. Pretty good. 9 freight cars. Pretty good. There's Andy, and there it goes. And now there's anything, guys, and there it goes. Ever so slowly, there it goes. We're stopping for a switch, so I'm gonna press stop right in front of the camera here. We'll see. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Real Fan Landon, Real Fan Landon out.